Hey, Coach Greg here, and I have easy standing cardio for a slimmer waist workout. There's gonna be no jumping involved, so let's get to it. All right, so we have a couple warm-up exercises, and then we'll go into our main set. We have 3 of them, and then we'll finish off with some cool down exercises. And by the end, hopefully, we will slim down. So here we go, starting off with our warm-ups, we're gonna do some heel rocks, 30 seconds, and let's go. So normally I'd like to do maybe some boxer bounces or something like that, but we're not trying to leave the ground. So all we're doing is focusing on getting up on the balls of our feet and then rolling back in this rocking position. Now, if you need to hold on to something, feel free. We're just trying to get our ankles nice and loose, get the blood flowing in our shins and our calves, and it'll travel up our body. You gotta start with a strong foundation. Just makes everything a little easier to do. Here we go, and done. Great job, shake it out. We have step jacks next. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and all we're doing is bring our arms overhead and stepping out to the side. Again, a normal jumping jack involves jumping, but not today, my friend. We're just focusing on, boom, right here. We wanna be nice and gentle in our body, but also pick up the tempo to really get our heart rate going. If you feel like you can't get your arms overhead, then focus on front jacks, just like this. Or you can just focus on just the stepping out to the side. This is gonna get our body nice and warmed up. We got 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Quick break, and then we're gonna jump right into our first set. We have reverse lunges, starting off strong. Again, feel free to hold on to something if you need to. We're just gonna focus on bringing that leg back and alternating. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Stepping back into a lunge. There it is. See if you can get to 90 degree at least with your legs. You don't have to go all the way down, but some people's legs, femurs, all that stuff are different sizes. So go to your comfortable depth and also like your length. Sometimes for me, I like to extend over my toes. Some people like to make sure they're staying back. Go with your preference, whatever you need. Keep your chest upright, core is tight. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out the legs. I'm already gonna feel it. Next, we have some squats. I like to have my feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Just drop into a squat, come right on up. You can go super deep, right? All the way down to the ground. You can go 90, you can go 45, whatever you feel comfortable with. I like to use my arms as a lever and really pop with my hips. Sink low, keep your chest up. Pretend you're trying to sit into a chair. Don't lean over this way or lean over backwards. Just really sit and sink into it. And done. Great job. Give our legs a break. We're gonna do some arm scissors. Stand up nice and tall. Deep breath, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. Arms out in front. Just gonna focus on crossing our elbows over each other, just like this. Now you can have your hands palms down. This is gonna work up more of your triceps or shoulders. You can have palms up. This is really gonna focus on your biceps. So whatever you feel like you wanna work on, go ahead and do. Name of the game though, nice and tall posture. Suck your belly button into your spine. Really flex with your core. Press your feet into the ground. And this will activate your whole body. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving along. We have some high knees. We ain't done with the legs, baby. Here we go. Deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Let's drive those knees up. There it is. For this first set, I'd encourage you to just go a little slower. Get used to the movements. Then we can pick up the pace for the next sets. Again, hold on to something if you need to. You can do this from a seated position, whatever you feel comfortable with. But we are trying to slim down our waist, and these are the exercises that are gonna help with that. You can also use your hands as a guide. Gives you a target to aim for. There it is. And down. Great job. We are cruising. Next, we have some front raises. Feet shoulder width apart. Really screw your feet into the ground. Press with your feet, your knees, your core. Even though we're only using our arms, trust me, you want to engage your whole body. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna raise our arms out in front of us. Just like that. Really press the ground away. Extend your arms as far as you can while still staying in this type of position. Back is flat. You can also use a resistance band, some dumbbells, whatever you feel comfortable with. This is activating my whole upper chest, my shoulders, even my back, but by really squeezing my core, it's engaging everything. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. We have knee to elbows. Last exercise in this set. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Hands behind the head. Bring that elbow to your knee. I like to also open up my chest. Really allows me to get that maximum crunch. Sounds like I'm talking about cereal. There it is. Drive that knee. Doing amazing. Let's finish strong. Turn back to face, y'all. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. The goal is you want 30 seconds of hard work, 10 seconds rest, catch your breath, and then we're gonna go right into it. So second set starts now. Reverse lunges. 3, 2, 1, go. Squats. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we have arm scissors. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we have high knees. 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises. 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to elbows. 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Grab some art if you need to, but if not, we're gonna jump right into this third set. Everything slimmer waist. This is how we do it. One more set to go, starting right now. Go. Squats, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we have arm scissors. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we have high knees. 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to elbows, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 3 sets done. You are crushing it. Let's do 2 more exercises for a quick cool down. Give our body a nice reward. We're gonna do some good mornings, 30 seconds on the clock. And here we go. Be nice and gentle. We're just hinging from our hips, flat back. Ooh, feel that stretch in your hamstrings and the back of your knees. Come right back up, pull with your hips. Ah, it's perfect. Great way to cool down. Make sure you are breathing. Let's get our heart rate down. We just did a bunch of cardio exercises, which is great for us, but let's see if we can get our breathing back in control. There it is. Really hinge. If you want, you can just stay here too. That feels very good for my calves, for my hamstrings, everything. And slowly come back up. And last, let's do some torso twists. We did a lot of ab exercises as well. So let's see if we can get our midsection nice and stretched. So feet past shoulder width apart, 30 seconds, and let's go. We're just gonna have hands on top of each other, elbows 90 degrees, and just twist over. See how far back you can get that elbow. Again, nice and gentle. We're not trying to speed through this, we're just trying to see if we can soothe any pain points. Really stretch out the remainder Well, it wasn't stretched yet, but by now you should be so warmed up. I am sweating. I love this exercise because you can do this with minimal effort. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Go ahead and click the notification bell if you haven't, just so you can stay on top of any new videos from Coach Gabby, Coach Mayer, and me. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.